Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world. Whenever you're watching this YouTube video, welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. Today, a short TA update, also some educational stuff, and also some news. Yes, a cool video. Just watch it completely till the end, and never forget to look at the links down below the video, because those links, yeah, they give me some income to keep making this beautiful content for you guys every day again. Now, let's first jump into some amazing charts over here. Bam. This is the first chart, guys. This chart was created by Rational Root. It's a Bitcoin realized price. You can see in the bottom this beautiful indication of where there's an accumulation phase, that's the red part, and where there's a reaccumulation phase, that's the green yellowish part. That's where we're retesting that line of zero. And at the moment, we are in this reaccumulation phase. So this is still a beautiful moment for you to accumulate Bitcoin. We are above the realized price. The line starts to go into the reaccumulation phase. After that, you will see, after the halving, in my opinion, you will see that peak again. Just look to the chart. If you look at that dotted line on the bottom, after each halving, that line goes way up to higher levels around 1. So every time when that happens, that is the moment you understand we are nearing the top of the bull run market. We are now at the bottom. You should be accumulating Bitcoin through dollar cost average, but I will come back to that in a moment. Now, this chart is showing me that we are now at 82% of the halving progress, which means we are 82% from the previous halving to the next halving. Now, if you look back to the previous two halvings, we can see that from this moment, the 82%, till the halving moment, we went up in price. The only moment that didn't happen was the last bull run, and that was only because of the COVID crash. Because if you look to that period that we see the COVID crash down, that should normally have been just a normal beautiful run up, just like the one in 2017. And then again, the halving, we will be higher than the moment of 82% than the halving of the halving. So for me, I am buying Bitcoin every day, dollar cost averaging. Why? Because I believe we are about to see a pump to somewhere around 40k and between 40 and 50k towards the halving in April, guys. Now, this chart is also a very interesting chart. This chart is showing you the hash ribbon on the bottom. This is the blue dots, and every time when we see a blue dot, that's the beginning of a massive bull run. And this is a weekly chart, so every candle is a week. But if on the weekly chart this hash ribbon starts to flash, that blue block button appears, that is the moment you need to be in Bitcoin, because there will be a pump upcoming. Just look to the charts. Add this beautiful hash ribbon to your TradingView chart. It's for free. It's Capriola Charles. If you go to TradingView, you can add this indicator for free to your chart, and then you can just analyze it yourself. But every time when we see these blue dots, we see this massive run. Even after the first bull run peak last time, from 60k we dropped to 30k, and at 30k that blue dot was there, so you could have made 30k to 70k again, that profit every time. Even this time now, we saw the beautiful bear market bottom, there was a blue dot, bam, we pumped up. Now again, a blue dot. I believe this will be the dot that pushes Bitcoin all the way up to maybe 40k before we trace back to 25 to 30k levels, and then calm down again towards the halving. Now, at the moment, guys, at BuyBIT, you know, if you use the links down below to sign to BuyBIT, you get a shitload of bonuses. But BuyBIT also has other bonuses like this one. Sailor is now a token you can buy on the spot price, on the spot market, sorry for that. And if you buy it on the spot market, you can now claim a reward up to 90,000 US dollar tether. So just by buying Sailor spot, you can win a certain amount of USDT. So go down below and sign up. Now, some educational stuff, guys. Dollar cost average. I have said it now a few times during this video. What is dollar cost average? Dollar cost average means that you're buying Bitcoin at a certain interval every time for the same amount. So for example, every first Monday of the month, you buy 100 euros worth of Bitcoin, and you keep doing that every Monday first Monday of the month, you buy $100 in Bitcoin. Or maybe every week on Monday, you buy $50 of Bitcoin. Whatever your portfolio will allow you to buy, but keep doing that. You can see in this chart, they bought Bitcoin at all these red dots. Every time again, at the red dot, the same amount of dollars in Bitcoin. The average price is now that orange line. So in average, you paid a certain price for all of your Bitcoins. That is a dollar cost average price. So yes, sometimes you're buying more expensive, sometimes you're buying a little bit cheaper, but the moment that you take profit, you have a dollar cost average price, and that's the moment you can calculate your profits at the top of the next bull market, because then you dollar cost average out. Then you start to sell Bitcoin at certain levels. So sell and take profit at those levels, on different levels, 70K, 80K, 90K, 100K, and that's how you dollar cost average your profits in total. Now, the next thing, guys, is that we have this World Series of Trading going on at BuyBIT, our team, the Bitcoin family, all in. We are now at the 500th place of the 900 places, so we're not doing great, but we're also not like terrible. We are in the mid somewhere. You can still join it. Just go and sign up through using the link. There's a lot of prizes you can win. You can win up to $8 million. You can win a Lamborghini. You can win a Rolex just when you sign up to BuyBIT, guys. Now, this tweet this week did really good. Look. The difference between a billion and a trillion. A billion seconds is 32 years. A trillion seconds is 31,709 years. The global government debt is 300 trillion US dollar. If the government would pay 100 million a day, it would take them 8,000 years to pay back the global debt. That's impossible. Now just calculate Elon Musk's billions. I think he has 180 billion. Yeah, that's the tweet down below. Go to my Twitter and join all those views. 160K. Beautiful tweet. Let's jump into the next part. You really enjoyed all the charts, guys. There is one more thing that I want to tell you. It's kind of tip. My new website, Taihuttu.com, is live, and one of the slogans on the top of the website is flexibility is the new stability. So why is flexibility the new stability? In my opinion, and in my family's opinion, when you're flexible, it gives you a stable feeling that you can move wherever you want, whenever you want, all over the world. So by becoming not that flexible, by owning a house, by owning cars, by owning a lot of materialistic stuff, you're less flexible. You're a little bit flexible in your area, but you're not flexible enough to move all over the world. You know, you never know what happens. Like we saw the last couple of years, lockdowns and all the things were forced up to you. If you would have been flexible, you would just have taken all your Bitcoins, moved to another place and lived there happily after. So flexibility is for me the new stability. That was everything for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed all the information, the charts and everything else. And if you did enjoy the video, then give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. What do you think about all of this? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow again. Hopefully less windy and then a real walk and talk. Bam.